What's up, YouTube? I wanted to tell you about the new Leatherman Wave. I just got one. Um, First I want to start off with the outside, which when it's closed it looks like this. On when you first open it, you'll see a serrated blade, and they have liner locks in it right here. So all the blades lock on this. Okay. Then there's a regular blade. Then on this side there's a metal file and a wood file. And on the other side there's a saw. I'll show you that in a sec. Yeah, there's a saw. Okay. Yeah, and they all have liner locks in them, so they don't like close on your finger or something. On the inside, pretty heavy duty pliers. Nice, good to, the handles are better than the PSD2, which I had before. But so anyway, on the inside, oh, there's also, I don't know if you could see, but an inch and a metric scale on each side. On the inside, there's a reversible bit driver, Phillips and flathead. Then, let's see, still pretty sticky. Then a can opener, and they all lock right here. You just have to push this little button down. On the other side, we have a large flathead screwdriver slash can opener. A smaller bit drive that also turns around. And of course the scissors. They're really nice. So that's it for the inside. Now, the case that I got was just a regular leather case. There's two pockets right here on the side that stretch, and over here too. And then one in the back. And I don't know if you could see that, but on your belt you could put it horizontally, or like this way or this way. So yeah, this one has a button, still pretty stiff. And then there's a hole in the bottom. I don't usually do this, but you can put it in. Yep. And have it go at the bottom like that. So that's the Leatherman Wave. I got mine for about 60 bucks. I think at Dick's. So yeah, you should definitely pick it up. I think it's a good tool. It's really nice. It's a good quality steel. I'm not sure what, but it weighs quite a bit. Alright, thank you.